Hello my loves, it's Catchall Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning for the first week of June. So we have May 31st to June 6th, and this is in my Catchall Classic Size Happy Planner. I did want to use one of those huge stickers from the Mambi sticks. I think they're so much fun, so I think I'm going to be pulling out this beautiful big Hello Sunshine. Okay, as I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you just found me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. So here we go. The first sticker is down and ready to go. I am going to be adding some elements from the squad goals. That sticker book is so cute, but more so, if you guys didn't know, it is a seasonal book. It has all of the seasons in there, so you can pull as you need stickers. Especially this being the last couple weeks of spring before we head into a true calendar summer, I wanted to go ahead and really use up some of the spring stickers. I love spring. I love summer the best, but still I love spring. It's just such a nice time of year with the weather and just everything blooming and hopeful. So there we go. We have a little girl sitting under a tree, and then I think I'm going to be using some of those florals. So here we go. I might be making my own arrangements, so I'm just going to pull a whole bunch of these florals out and see what happens. I'm going to be doing a little bit more of a minimalistic look for this spread. So if you're into minimalistic spreads or not with a huge amount of decor, this might be one for you. I'm just going to be doing little bits and pieces of flowers all over, and then I think that might be kind of the brunt of it. So for now, I'm adding flowers because who doesn't love flowers, right? I am leaving that peachy to do on the side, in the sidebar, because that actually matches the letters in the hello. There is a peach, E and L, so I think I want to leave that be. Just gonna pull more flowers and start adding them to the sign as well. And as always, I am using my white pen. This is the Uni-Ball Signa pen, and I really like how this works compared to my jelly roll. Okay, and then I have this, which is already joined, so I don't have to make my own arrangement, and I think it's adorable, so I am leaving it be for the most part. There we go. Isn't it lovely? Okay, and then I'm gonna add another cluster. So cute. And I still have quite a bit of room to write, which is awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of these almost like clear washies with florals to the bottom, especially since the bottom here is clear. I think that will look pretty. It will tie everything in. So here we go. So there's that, and now it's time to add I don't know what. Let's see. I am thinking of adding another little girl to Sunday, so then it's not just one girl lonely and does not fit the spread. I do need more flowers. I need at least one more bunch of flowers, but before I do that, I'm going to fold my page. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this apart. And go ahead and grab my punch. This is the large punch in pink. And I'm going to go ahead and punch my pages through that sticker. And that one is a little bit messed up, just tiny bit, which is okay. But the other side came out pretty great, so let's see how this pops in. Yep, that works pretty well. And it turns, so yeah, we are good. I was worried if these pages will be falling out. I do need another flower cluster, so let's go ahead and look for that while I am still having this book on my desk. I always feel so sad when all of the pages start falling apart, but I also know that that's how loved and used the book is, because otherwise it would just mean that I haven't been using it. But I really do use my books, so there's kind of that testament to it of being used where the pages start falling apart, which is okay. Okay, so this is from the fall, but these colors still work, so I'm gonna go ahead and use them. Perfect, right? Sorry, like my arm is all over the place today because I am looking for many things. I am looking for my stencil to add some of these beautiful checklists that I usually do. I didn't want to use the Happy Planner one. I wanted to use my tiny little round circle one, and I'm going to be using colored pens. So this is the Tool colored pens, and I pulled out red, purple, and pink, and I'm just gonna make the tiniest dots with those. Like I said, despite of having a big sticker and so many stickers in there, this still leaves me quite a bit of room for writing, which I really like, because I do like my checklists and my appointments and so on in here, which I think is pretty great. So I'm gonna alternate them. I'm gonna do pink, purple, red, beautiful. And I'm gonna grab the other side and add those as well. And I'm gonna start with pink again. And I'm gonna do pink on Sunday as well. I am almost done with this spread. I am so excited that you were able to join me to plan this out. As you can probably already tell, I love my planner and I use it so much. It makes me so excited whenever I get to really fully use it. And again, the pens I used are the Tool pens. They are the super fine, so it's the 3.8 ones. It looks like I made a little scratch. So I'm just gonna take my white pen and make this all better. Let me pull this back into my planner, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I am so thankful that you were able to join me. I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!